Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension. This is 100 mm, this is 50, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extrude, select top plane, select circle, select line, give the dimensions 50 mm, this is 75. Select the midpoint and origin point, give horizontal constraint. Trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select circle, create 15 mm circle. Diameter 15. Finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. Next, one more flange. Length is 50 mm, height also. For center hole 25 mm, thickness is 15 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Select circle, give the dimension, this is 50 mm, here to here 25. Select line, select this line and circle, give tangent constraint. Select this line and this line, give collinear. Trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select circle, give the dimension 15 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction. Okay. Next, select extrude, select mirror, select mid plane. Okay. Next, bottom also same flange. Select surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 50 mm, 25. Select midpoint and origin point, give horizontal. Select line, select line and circle, give a tangent constraint. Select this line and this, give collinear. Select trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select circle, diameter 15 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, apply. So we can give the fillets for better looking. Select 5 mm. Select these two edges. That's it, friends. So you can compare both the drawings. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment. So you can assign the material here. Go to aluminum, polished aluminum. So you can here edit appearances. So you can choose the color here. That's it, friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Save the part.